With the world going to 3D imaging for mammography, we had a lot of our patients start traveling to other towns, 30 miles away, and we wanted to bring those patients back to us. So switching over to the Hologic Dimensions, we're saving them time and money, not having to travel to another town for that. That way they can see their physician here at our clinic system and then return to us for the mammogram, having it kind of just a one-stop shop. We like the images on the Hologic, the radiologists like the images on the Hologic. The compression time is 3.7 seconds as opposed to the competition being 10 seconds or greater. Nobody wants to be compressed longer than they have to. Very easy to learn day of training. I've been doing mammography for nearly 20 years. My thumbs are arthritic from doing mammography and pushing buttons. I can push a button and it does the turning itself. I don't have to physically keep my fingers on the button as the machine turns, as I would have had to do on other systems. Working with Bronze Medical Imaging to purchase and install our unit, both the sales rep and the service reps are phenomenal to work with. They're just a phone call away and they are always ready to answer any questions that I might have.